Anywho.
But I like their plating.
So is this a get ready with me? Get ready with me to go to Ibadan. To go on a vacation. I'm excited. I want to get my nails done. I want to shape my brows so that just prepare for my vacation. I'm excited. I'm going to Ibadan. I'm going on a vacation.
If you're not traveling with this train and you are still on board, kindly make your exit.
Actually, this place is really big. I was not expecting this. We want to take a nap, but we've settled in and it's not bad. I really like it. You can see on my face I'm happy. I'm really excited. I just casted like a bowl of amala. There was snail inside. Pomo was really good and it was really soft. I ate pomo, but like that pomo was good. I'm on a vacation. So this is the dress I'm wearing. This is how I look actually. I like my hair. I think it's like a go-to style for me now. But I'm going to go and take this dress off because half of my teeth is out. So we are going for is it dinner? I don't know. I look fucking good. Hello. I don't know where I'm going. Yeah, the whole 15 seconds is going to be in this video because I look good. We are going to the pool, so small makeup. So this is day 3. This is Sunday and we are going back to Lagos, sadly, but it was a good holiday. 10 over 10. I'm trying if this is working. Excuse the mess. So I'm home now. Did video is going to end around here. I'm watching Love Island. We started it in Ibadan, so I just want to finish it. I like this hairstyle. This is the part of clothes I left. Yeah, next look. Bye.